Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 30th, 2021. You're at a great location, a great price, because we are going to give you all the best option play for today. Show you all this option strategy that we're going to look at on this particular stock you see on my screen, Jinko Solar Holdings. We're going to show you all where we're expecting the market to go and which option would be the best one to play in order to profit. So if you all appreciate it, before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. And one of the first things we're going to do, we're going to show you the other options that we have on our simulated trading account on Thinkorswim. You guys can see that we actually got filled on our two options that we did yesterday. Comores company, we went ahead and lowered the value of the price on that one in order just so we could get filled, because as I was watching the market trade on yesterday, the market wasn't coming up to our trade price. So I went ahead and lowered it a little bit just so that I could get it filled, just to show you all how to actually profit into the market by utilizing these options. And here we got a put option for Rite Aid. As you all can see, currently both these option plays are good. We're seeing profit up $356 for Comores option and $91 right now in Rite Aid. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at Jinko Solar Holdings. We're going to talk about why we're expecting this particular stock to continue to give us lower price movement and which option would benefit us while the market is dropping for this particular stock. So already you guys can tell here, for the most part, that this particular stock is giving us weakness. We are seeing the market in Jinko Solar in a downtrend, right? We're definitely not seeing any indications of market strength so far. And as I zoom out, we need to try to gauge how low the market in Jinko Solar can go, right? So we are already nearing an area of support, which is logical, which is around $38. So let me show you all and extend that line to you. I mean, this goes all the way back since 2010. And you can see here that already the market in Jinko Solar Holdings came and bounced off that line, right? So we need to make a determination as to whether or not this market in Jinko Solar Holdings is going to hold it as support and move higher, or are we going to continue to see the market go lower in price for this particular stock? Okay, so right here, this is the 3-day time frame into the market for Jinko Solar Holdings, and currently we're still seeing weakness. You know, so much so that the market is in jeopardy of breaking below $38 as support. Okay. What about on a weekly time frame into the market for Jinko Solar Holdings? Even here, the market is still giving us some emphasis on market weakness here. Monthly time frame, even here, the market definitely is harnessing to us some weakness. You know, so much so that we can actually see the market come down to around $34.75 at least, maybe even lower than that if the weakness continues in Jinko Solar Holdings to around $32.25. So even in this particular instance, let's see how low that would be. Okay, so if we were to come down to $32, that would be 17%, 18% market movement to the downside that we can still see come into the market for Jinko Solar Holdings. So what type of option do we need to play in order to profit from this? Because we're still seeing a weakness here into the market in Jinko Solar Holdings. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and play the weakness. We're going to put a prediction into the market though for Jinko Solar Holdings, anticipating that the market is going to go lower in price. Okay. Currently the restriction area is right here around $45. Okay, so we're going to hold the market restriction there and continue to let this option play out until we see the market break either $4 to $5 to the upside, or we break down below into the market to our ultimate TP price. So like I said, we can see the market actually come here to $34.40, give or take. Okay, so we can play that out. Let's see this. Based off what we have here historically in the background of this chart, we're going to anticipate the market to try to come in and give us a quick touch around $35, $34.90, give or take. All right, so What type of option are we going to play for this particular stock? JKS. We're going to sell a credit spread. All right, we're going to buy and sell a call right here into the market for Jinko Solar Holdings. So we have 17 days on this current option period of April the 16th, 2021, or we could pick the May 21st, 2021, where there's 52 days left in this particular option before it expires. You guys can see right here, we can sell a credit spread right here into the market, and we can see how much we'll get in terms of premium or actual money that will come into our account the moment that we initiate this trade. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to bring it down to 1. It's only $25 you'll get into your account seeing this market in Jinko Solar Holdings, right? So now, this is the spread right here. This is what the play looks like for a vertical call spread to where you're going to sell it into the market. And right now, you guys can see here that the most that we can lose is $75 right there. Look down here. You can see that at option expiration, if you held this option open to the expiration of April 17, 2021, you can't lose no more than $75 there, and the max that you can make is only 25, right? So even if you were to increase the option to 2, the max you can lose is 150. The most you can gain is $50 right there. Okay, so what we're going to do, you guys can see this light shaded area. This is the probability range of price movement. So we can see within a 68.27% probability, the price go from around $50, $49.64 all the way down to $30.37. Now, based off the price chart, we're looking for the market to go down towards, let me see, $34.25, right? So that's definitely within the realm of possibility that we're looking for the market in Jinko Solar Holdings to go. Do you think the credit is worth it though? Or should we place the trade on a smaller time frame, 17 days? Let's do 17 days and sell a vertical call spread into the market, and let's see. So let's analyze this one out. Okay, let's take this one out. And this is the one that we can sell a vertical call spread with only 17 days left to expiration. And actually this one looks a bit better, right? So let's do this. We're going to use 17 days on this April 16, 2021 option to play out. So the max we can lose is $416. The max we can gain is $84. All right. So I'm going to bring this down just so that we can try to get filled into the market, so that we can actually watch this market play out. And this is our break even right here. $45.75 is our break even number for this particular play before we'll start losing money at the option expiration date of April the 17th. Okay. So let's go ahead and execute this. So already we're getting a credit into our account of $82 minus commission of $1.30. So we'll get $80.70 into our account on this particular option play. Okay. So let's go ahead and send this. And that's it. So we're going to watch the market come and play out. See if we get filled today. We'll show you all tomorrow whether or not we did. And then we'll come in and check these other two stocks that we got right now. Kim Moore's. Let me show you all that one real quick. Let's see if we need to alter anything. You guys can see here that we were playing it on a weekly time frame. And so far, so good. Okay. Next one was Rite Aid. You guys can see here. So far, so good. So we're not going to change anything in our option plays for Chemours or even Rite Aid. Okay, so this is it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.